The Moringa oleifera tree, also known as the drumstick tree, miracle tree, or tree of life, is one of the most nutrient-rich plants found in nature. Native to India, Pakistan, and Nepal, this fast-growing tree has spread across Asia, Africa, and South America due to its remarkable resilience and health benefits. What makes Moringa unique is that almost every part of the plant, leaves, pods, seeds, flowers, and roots, can be used for food, medicine, or herbal remedies. Today, it is recognized worldwide as a superfood because of its powerful combination of vitamins, minerals, and bioactive compounds. Historically, Moringa has held an important place in traditional healing systems. In ancient India, it was a cornerstone of Ayurvedic medicine and was believed to treat over 300 diseases. In Egypt, Moringa oil was used as a skin protector against the desert climate and as a base for perfumes. The Romans and Greeks also valued it for healing and cosmetic purposes. Across Africa and Asia, Moringa became known as a survival food during times of famine because it thrives even in poor soil and provides vital nutrition. In the modern era, global organizations like the World Health Organization, WHO, and the Food and Agriculture Organization, FAO, have highlighted Moringa as a natural solution for combating malnutrition in developing countries. Nutritionally, Moringa leaves are exceptionally rich in proteins, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. A 100-gram serving of fresh leaves contains only about 64 calories, yet provides nearly 9 grams of protein, making it one of the best plant-based protein sources. It also contains 8 grams of carbohydrates, 2 grams of fiber, and a small amount of fat, 1.4 g. In terms of vitamins, Moringa is abundant in vitamin A, important for vision and immunity, vitamin C, a strong antioxidant that boosts the immune system, and vitamin E, which protects cells and skin from damage. It also contains vitamins K and several B-complex vitamins, such as B1, B2, B3, and B6. On the mineral side, Moringa provides calcium, for bone strength, potassium, to regulate blood pressure, and iron, to prevent anemia, along with magnesium, zinc, and copper. Beyond its vitamin and mineral content, Moringa is also rich in beneficial plant compounds. It contains quercetin and chlorogenic acid, both powerful antioxidants that fight free radicals and reduce oxidative stress in the body. The leaves also supply essential amino acids, making it a complete source of protein, something rare among plants. Additionally, compounds known as isothiocyanates give Moringa strong anti-inflammatory properties, further enhancing its medicinal value. Over the years, researchers have studied Moringa in detail and confirmed what traditional medicine had always believed. This tree truly deserves the title of a miracle plant. Its rich supply of vitamins, minerals, proteins, and antioxidants makes it one of the most powerful natural remedies for modern-day health problems. From protecting the heart and lowering blood sugar to boosting brain function and immunity, Moringa offers a wide range of potential benefits. While more large-scale human studies are still needed, existing research strongly supports its role in promoting overall health and well-being. Here are 20 science-backed health benefits of Moringa explained briefly. 1. Rich in nutrients. Moringa is often called a nutritional powerhouse because it provides more nutrients than many commonly consumed foods. For example, gram for gram, Moringa leaves contain more vitamin C than oranges, more vitamin A than carrots, more calcium than milk, more potassium than bananas, and more iron than spinach. This makes it especially valuable in areas where people suffer from nutritional deficiencies. The leaves are not only rich in vitamins and minerals but also contain complete protein, meaning they provide all 9 essential amino acids that the body cannot produce on its own. This is rare for plant foods and makes Moringa particularly important for vegetarians and vegans. In many developing countries, Moringa is used to combat malnutrition in children and breastfeeding mothers, as its nutrients support growth, immunity, and overall development. 2. Powerful antioxidant properties. Antioxidants are compounds that protect the body from oxidative stress, a process caused by an imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants. Oxidative stress contributes to aging and many chronic diseases, including heart disease, cancer, and diabetes. Moringa contains several potent antioxidants such as quercetin, which helps lower blood pressure, chlorogenic acid, which helps moderate blood sugar levels, and vitamin C, which boosts the immune system and skin health. Studies have shown that consuming Moringa leaf extract can significantly increase antioxidant levels in the blood, helping the body fight off harmful effects of stress, pollution, and poor diet. By reducing oxidative damage, Moringa helps protect cells and tissues from premature aging. 3. Helps reduce inflammation. Inflammation is the body's natural defense against injury or infection, but chronic inflammation can lead to diseases such as arthritis, diabetes, heart disease, and even cancer. Moringa contains natural compounds called isothiocyanates, which have strong anti-inflammatory effects. These compounds help reduce the activity of inflammatory enzymes and proteins in the body. Research on both animals and humans shows that Moringa extracts can lower markers of inflammation and reduce pain. For example, arthritis patients may benefit from Moringa because it reduces joint swelling and stiffness. Similarly, its anti-inflammatory effect can support people with respiratory conditions like asthma by calming airway inflammation. 4. Supports healthy blood sugar levels. Keeping blood sugar levels stable is important for preventing diabetes and other metabolic problems. Moringa has shown promise in helping regulate blood sugar naturally. Studies suggest that its leaf powder may increase insulin sensitivity, allowing cells to absorb sugar from the blood more effectively. It also contains plant compounds that slow down the absorption of sugar in the gut, preventing sudden spikes in glucose after meals. In one study, women who consumed 7 grams of Moringa leaf powder daily for 3 months saw a significant reduction in their fasting blood sugar levels. While more large-scale research is needed, these results suggest that Moringa could be a helpful natural supplement for people managing diabetes or prediabetes. 5. Lowers cholesterol. High cholesterol, especially LDL, bad cholesterol, and triglycerides, is a major risk factor for heart disease. Moringa has been shown to lower both LDL cholesterol and triglyceride levels while increasing HDL, good cholesterol, which helps clear fat deposits from the blood vessels. This balance reduces the risk of plaque buildup in the arteries, which can lead to atherosclerosis, heart attack, or stroke. Some studies have even compared Moringa's cholesterol-lowering effect to that of certain commonly prescribed drugs. This makes Moringa an excellent natural option for supporting heart health. 6. Protects heart health. Moringa not only helps regulate cholesterol but also protects the heart in multiple ways. Its antioxidants reduce oxidative stress in blood vessels, keeping them strong and flexible. Its high potassium content helps balance sodium in the body, which lowers blood pressure naturally. By reducing both cholesterol and high blood pressure, the two leading causes of heart disease, Moringa acts as a powerful protector of cardiovascular health. Some animal studies also suggest that Moringa may prevent thickening of the heart walls, a condition that can weaken heart function over time. 7. Supports brain function. The brain is highly sensitive to damage caused by free radicals and poor circulation. Moringa, being rich in antioxidants like vitamin E and vitamin C, protects brain cells from oxidative stress. This helps improve memory, focus, and mental sharpness. It also contains compounds that act on neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, which influence mood, memory, and emotional well-being. Because of these effects, researchers are studying Moringa for its potential role in preventing neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Additionally, its high iron content ensures a steady supply of oxygen to the brain, which further enhances mental performance. 8. Enhances liver health. The liver is one of the most important organs in the body, responsible for filtering toxins, producing bile, and metabolizing nutrients. Moringa supports liver health in multiple ways. Its polyphenol and flavonoids help reduce inflammation and protect against damage caused by toxins, alcohol, and certain medications. Studies have shown that Moringa leaf and seed extracts can reduce liver enzyme levels, an indicator of liver stress, and promote faster recovery from damage. By lowering oxidative stress, Moringa keeps the liver functioning properly, allowing it to detoxify the body more efficiently. 9. Aids digestion. Moringa has long been used in traditional medicine as a digestive aid. Its high fiber content supports regular bowel movements and prevents constipation. At the same time, its natural antibacterial properties protect against harmful bacteria like E. coli and Salmonella, which can cause food poisoning and diarrhea. Some studies also suggest that Moringa extracts may help reduce the severity of stomach ulcers by protecting the stomach lining from acid damage. For people with indigestion, bloating, or gastritis, Moringa can offer gentle but effective relief while supporting overall gut health. 10. Boosts immunity. A strong immune system is the body's best defense against viruses, bacteria, and other pathogens. Moringa strengthens immunity because it is loaded with vitamin A, which supports white blood cell production, vitamin C, which increases resistance to infections, and zinc, which plays a critical role in immune response. By supplying these essential nutrients, Moringa helps the body fight illnesses more effectively and recover faster from infections. This makes it especially valuable during cold and flu seasons, or in regions where people are more vulnerable to infectious diseases. 11. Improves skin and hair health. Moringa is a popular ingredient in beauty and skincare products because of its ability to nourish and protect the skin. Vitamin A helps the skin produce collagen, which keeps it firm and youthful, while vitamin E protects against wrinkles and sun damage. Its antibacterial and antifungal properties make it effective against acne, pimples, and skin infections. Moringa oil, also known as ben oil, is lightweight and easily absorbed, making it a great natural moisturizer for dry skin. For hair, Moringa improves scalp circulation, strengthens roots, reduces dandruff, and promotes healthy hair growth. Many people use Moringa as a natural solution for hair loss and thinning. 12. Supports weight management. Moringa may help in weight management by naturally reducing appetite and promoting fat metabolism. Its fiber content helps keep you feeling full for longer, reducing unnecessary snacking and overeating. Some animal studies suggest that Moringa extracts can reduce fat storage and speed up the breakdown of fats in the body. Additionally, its nutrient density ensures that even when someone is eating less to lose weight, they are still getting essential vitamins and minerals. When combined with regular exercise and a balanced diet, Moringa may support natural weight loss and help maintain a healthy weight over time. 13. Supports eye health. Moringa is a natural source of vitamin A and beta-carotene, both of which are essential for maintaining strong eyesight. Vitamin A plays a key role in producing rhodopsin, a pigment in the retina that helps the eyes see in low-light conditions. This is why a deficiency in vitamin A often leads to night blindness and dry eyes. Regular consumption of Moringa leaves can help protect against these issues. Furthermore, its antioxidants, particularly vitamin C and quercetin, protect delicate eye tissues from oxidative stress, which contributes to age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. In many rural areas, Moringa is traditionally given to children to prevent vision problems, making it a natural protector of eye health. 14. Improves bone health. Strong bones require adequate intake of calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium, all of which are present in high amounts in Moringa leaves. For children and teenagers, these minerals are vital for bone growth, while for older adults, they help prevent the onset of osteoporosis and fractures. Women, especially after menopause, are at higher risk of bone weakness due to hormonal changes, and Moringa can provide natural support without side effects. Along with minerals, its anti-inflammatory compounds help reduce pain and swelling in joints, which makes it beneficial for conditions like arthritis. Unlike artificial calcium supplements that sometimes cause kidney stones, Moringa provides calcium in a natural, absorbable form. 15. Natural detoxifier. One of the most unique properties of Moringa is its ability to act as a natural detox agent. The chlorophyll and polyphenol in Moringa help cleanse the blood by binding to toxins and heavy metals, assisting the body in flushing them out. In fact, Moringa seeds are widely used in developing countries to purify contaminated water because they can kill harmful bacteria and bind with impurities, making water safe to drink. Inside the human body, Moringa supports liver detoxification by reducing oxidative stress and improving liver enzyme function. This makes it helpful for people exposed to environmental toxins, pollution, or a poor diet, as it aids the body's natural cleansing process. 16. Enhances wound healing. Moringa has long been used in traditional medicine as a natural remedy for cuts, wounds, and skin infections. Its leaves, bark, and seeds contain antimicrobial and antiseptic compounds that prevent infections from spreading. When applied as a paste or oil, Moringa speeds up the wound healing process by stimulating collagen production and tissue repair. Scientific studies have also suggested that Moringa may promote blood clotting, which helps wounds stop bleeding more quickly. Because of this, Moringa is often included in herbal first aid remedies for treating small injuries, burns, and insect bites. 17. Improves lactation, galactagogue effect. In many cultures, Moringa leaves are given to new mothers because they are believed to improve breast milk production. Modern science supports this traditional use, Moringa acts as a galactagogue, a substance that increases the hormone prolactin, which regulates breast milk production. Studies have shown that women who consumed Moringa leaf supplements experienced a measurable increase in breast milk supply compared to those who didn't. Since Moringa is also rich in essential nutrients like calcium, iron, and vitamins, it benefits both the mother and the baby. In regions where child malnutrition is common, Moringa leaves are sometimes added to meals for nursing mothers to ensure healthier infants. 18. Antimicrobial and antibacterial properties. Moringa contains compounds such as pterigospermin and isothiocyanates that exhibit strong antimicrobial effects. Research shows that Moringa extracts can kill or inhibit the growth of harmful bacteria like Staphylococcus aureus, E. coli, and Salmonella, which are common causes of food poisoning and infections. It also shows activity against fungi, including the ones responsible for skin problems like athlete's foot and yeast infections. Because of these properties, Moringa can help strengthen the body's defense against infections. Interestingly, its seeds are even used in water treatment plants to purify drinking water, making it not only a food but also a natural sanitation tool. 19. May help balance hormones. Hormonal imbalance is a common issue, especially among women during menopause or people with thyroid disorders. Moringa may help by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation, both of which disturb hormonal balance. Some studies suggest that Moringa leaf powder can lower postmenopausal symptoms like hot flashes, mood swings, and insomnia. It also contains compounds that support thyroid health, which plays a central role in regulating metabolism and energy. By supplying nutrients like zinc, vitamin C, and magnesium, Moringa helps the endocrine system function more smoothly, leading to better mood stability, energy, and reproductive health. 20. Supports kidney health. The kidneys filter waste products and toxins from the blood. Moringa supports this process in two ways. First, it has a diuretic effect, meaning it helps the body remove excess water and salts through urine, reducing the risk of fluid retention and kidney stones. Second, its antioxidant compounds protect kidney cells from damage caused by high blood sugar or toxic substances. Some studies suggest that Moringa can prevent nephrotoxicity, toxic damage to the kidneys, caused by certain drugs and chemicals. For people with high blood pressure or diabetes, two leading causes of kidney disease, Moringa may provide natural protection and support long-term kidney health. Moringa is incredibly beneficial, but like all supplements, it should be consumed in moderation. High doses may cause digestive discomfort, and people taking medications for diabetes or high blood pressure should consult a doctor before adding Moringa to their routine.